Now let's learn how to insert the link on the buttons or change the background. First of all, to add a link to a button, you simply click and activate the button element. Make sure that you see the link title above it, and then click settings icon here and add your URL here. Choose the target of your URL. It can be the same window and a new window. I will go with new window. And you can do the same with another button here. Note that if it is an internal link, you can go to that page of this part and insert it here. Click save. And that's it. But if it is external link, you should insert the whole URL. Let's now see how we can change the background of the button. Again, simply click and activate the button element. Choose this icon, decorations. Here you can choose the color for your button. Click OK, and that's it. If you have noticed, the button color changes when I hover the mouse on it. Let's learn how to get this one. Again, click and activate the button. From here, choose hover or click. Change the button, for example, this way. Click OK, and then go to state, and you will see that it will be changed. Click save. You can preview the button here and it works great. You can remove those border color too. If you want to change the shape of your button, click and activate the button. Go to decorations and from here change the border radius. Click save. If you want to change the position of your button, simply activate this box. From general, click flex. You can change the direction. Here is the row reverse, the column reverse. I will go with column. Flex start brings the button here, flex end, flex center, baseline, and stretch. I will go with center. Click save, and that's it.